Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Chef Will is here today. I'm gonna give you a quick recipe today guys. It's some stew peas with beef. I've made stew peas on my channel before, but it was vegetarian. So today I'm gonna do some beef. Reason why? My daughter, she loves this. I want to do some salmon today, a new salmon recipe, but she requested this stew peas. So I'm gonna make stew peas for her. And I got a small amount of beef here to do it. So I'm gonna get it done quickly. All right. So it's a quick tip. I already have some peas already cooked. It was in my freezer in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna show you guys that and a small amount of ingredient that I'm using to make the stew peas. So I'm just gonna pull you guys over and show you what's going on. So guys, so here I got my peas already cooked. It's in a Ziploc bag. Sometimes I make a little bit too much. I gotta freeze it. So it's a good thing I have this, or else I wouldn't even think about making it. And I have some carrots, some thyme, some fresh scallion here already washed, some scotch bonnet pepper. This is a red stalk scallion, really good. It's a lot of flavor inside this one. It's good to use. I have some garlic here already crushed in a bag right there. And I got a small amount of beef tips right here. I cut them really small because I want to get this done quickly. All right. So I'm gonna get it on the stove top right here, guys. Alright guys, so what I did here with the beef to get some flavor in it, because you can use salted beef and all that to make this, but this is some fresh beef tips that I'm using today. So I just had some black pepper, some salt, a little bit of Maggi spice to it. You know, I just threw about a tablespoon each. Just season the meat a little bit to get some flavor in it. And I got some onions in my pot right here. I'm just getting some flavor inside the beef before I start boiling it. So guys, while that's cooking off, I'm just gonna cut up carrots, get them right inside that pot. It's a nice half-inch dice. Cutting the carrots like this, guys, make sure it's sitting on the flat side. Alright. If you're gonna cut the way I'm cutting. These are ready for the pot. Gotta get some flavor in that beef, guys. You can smell all that aroma already. I'm gonna add the garlic to this right now. So I didn't dice the garlic, I just crush it, guys, and put it inside. It's gonna cook right out. Smells so good. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna add carrots in the water. Let this beef cook down right now. I threw a couple of pimento allspice inside. Just add some more water to that. We're just gonna let this boil because the peas already cooked. We're gonna have to do that at the end. And I got the coconut. I'm using the Grace coconut milk right here. This is the block. So we're just gonna cover this beef and let it get tender, really tender, guys. Then we're ready to get the stew peas going. So guys, the beef already getting tender, so it's time to get the peas inside. And now we're gonna let this come back to a boil. Then I'm gonna add all the scallion and some more time, because I had some time inside to boil with the beef to give it some flavor. So we're gonna put in the scallion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, a few more pimento, allspice in there, give it a really nice kick. And I got some spinners right here. I'm gonna show you guys that. Yeah, so these little dumplings here, they're just flour and water. Call it spinners. Throw them inside the pot with the beef and the beans. So you just roll them at this size. You can make smaller. He's gonna go right inside the pot here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these little dumplings to the pot right here. Smells so good, guys. So this is a quick pot because the beans already cooked, right? So come home and you want to make a quick stew peas, guys. This is it right here. So while that's cooking, guys, I'm just gonna add the coconut inside. Thyme, the Scotch bonnet pepper. Let all the flavor marry in the pot, guys. The scallion, I'm just gonna take it and crush it. Everything already washed, guys. Put it right in the pot. Just gonna cover this down. Let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Should be ready. So guys, this is where the stew peas start thickening up right now. Getting a nice body. As soon as you get these dumplings inside, it's gonna start getting really thick, making a nice sauce there. All that beef. Those beef tips look so good, guys. Should smell this pot right now. You can smell the Scotch bonnet pepper going, the scallion. I'm hungry. And guys, I got some white rice already cooked over there, ready to go with this pot right here. Can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, the stew piece is ready. I'm ready to dig in, guys. It looks so good. Oh man, if you guys go back, you can see my other video I made with the vegan stew peas. That was delicious as well. This one is with the beef. All right, so I'm gonna dig in and let you guys know how it turns out. So guys, I'm so ready to dig in to try this to let you guys know how it turns out. It smells so good. Wow. The beef is so tender. Wow. Nothing but flavor, guys. It put a smile on my face. So guys, you guys gotta try it out. It put a smile on your face too. And some taste, alright? So guys, I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing my videos. I appreciate each and every one that watch the videos. Drop a like. If you're new watching the channel right now, don't forget to hit subscribe. Share with your friends. And I'll catch you in another amazing video. Peace out.